Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in for today's tutorial. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and if you're new to my channel, thank you as well for tuning in. Please do make sure to click on the subscribe button and also put on the notification bell so you don't miss any upload from me. So for today's tutorial, as you've seen earlier, that is the wig cap that I'll be using. I already wrapped my mannequin head with nylon, and this is the hair that I'll be using for this tutorial. So after that, I started off by measuring what I would need at a go, and after that I applied my bonding glue on the weft of the wave on. You don't want to do this too much. You don't want to put too much bonding glue on it. If not, everything will look messy. All you just want to do is that you apply just a little bit on the weft, just on the weft. Then after applying it, I went ahead to glue it on my wig cap.
So much for you, I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you, so much for you, but you're already booed up. I can do so much for you, I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you, so much for you, but you're already booed up. Leaving, you're always talking, you're leaving. I've been saying I'm ready, but I don't think you believe it. It's like you're looking for reasons, so you can keep tripping. All we doing is catching up, cause you already got booed up. I've been dreaming about you, waking up with you in my arms, wrapping these hands around you. Who else I'm gonna love? Nobody. So much for you, I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you, so much for you, but you're already booed up. I can do so much for you, I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you, so much for you, but you're already booed up. Why you go get somebody? Why you go get somebody? Why you go get somebody? Tell me why you went and boot up. Touch my body, Mariah Carey said, can't nobody that's keep sweat. And I wanna be with you till the end. I wanna be a man. Baby, are you ready?
So this is the last hair that I'll be gluing down like this, and most of the hair we use have double weft, as you can see. So I'll go ahead and split this one into two. Then after splitting it into two, I'll just go ahead and cut it into smaller pieces, and I will start gluing it down like this. Doing your lace closure yourself is so easy. All you just have to do is just to watch this tutorial and follow. You don't have to stress yourself about it. It's so easy. Just watch and follow, and I'm sure you get what I'm doing. And after that, I cut out smaller pieces, and I'll use my bonding glue to hold it down like that. That's how it comes out. Then after that, I will open it up like so with my hands, comb it thoroughly, and after combing it, I'll go ahead and use my hair straightener to flatten it out. Make sure you flatten it very well. And after flattening it out, I went ahead to use my bonding glue and my got2b blasting spray to glue it down onto my wig, just trying to make sure that it is well secured, and make sure to apply a little bit of pressure so that it doesn't come out bulky. As you can see, it's a really nice finish. Like, it's really neat, and it's not bulky at all. So I'll just go ahead and comb it thoroughly so that everything will be seamless. Can you see that, guys? Can you? I went ahead to cut out the wefts of my weave. After cutting it, I combed out the flyaways, and then I'll be using this small crochet hook for it, and I'll just start ventilating my wig cap like so. Very, very easy. If you are good at crocheting and your the hair you are using is long, then you are good to go. This will just be a piece of cake for you.
Talking, you leaving. I've been saying I'm ready, but I don't think you believe it. It's like you're looking for reasons, so you can keep tripping. All we doing is catching up, cause you already got booed up. I've been dreaming about you, waking up with you in my arms, wrapping these hands around you. Who else I'm gonna love? Nobody. Baby, are you ready? Nobody's ready. I'm talking keep sweating. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already booed up. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already booed up. Why you go get somebody? Why you go get somebody? Why you go get somebody? Tell me why you went and boot up. Touch my body, Mariah Carey said, ain't nobody that's keep sweat. And I wanna be with you till the end. I wanna be a man. Baby, are you ready? Ladies ready. I'm talking keep sweat. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already moved up. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already moved up.
When I was done with the hair, I went ahead to use my curler to flatten the top of the hair and to make all the flyaways relax, because I used a shorter piece of hair at the front part, and that's just what I'm doing here, guys. And this hair came out really, 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 really beautiful. Like, I was really, really proud of myself for doing something like this. It's really, really nice. And when I was done with the hair, I took out the pins, the T-pins I used to hold it down, and then I took off the cap from the mannequin head to rip out the nylon that I used for the wig. I wasn't feeling the curls of the hair at all. I wasn't feeling the hair texture, and yeah, I wasn't feeling it at all. So I did something beautiful to this hair. Like, I did something really, really cute to this wig. So if you guys want to see what I did to this wig, how I changed this wig, how I transformed this wig, how I wrapped this wig, I'll be showing you guys what I did to this wig in my next upload, so make sure you don't miss out on that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, and also share my video with family and friends. Thank you guys once again, and see you in my next one. Bye.
I've been saying I'm ready, but I don't think you believe it. It's like you're looking for reasons, so you can keep tripping. All we doing is catching up, cause you already got booed up. I've been dreaming about you, waking up with you in my arms, wrapping these hands around you. Who else I'm gonna love? Nobody. Baby, are you ready? Nobody's ready. I'm talking keep sweating. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you.